I love to use European cheese, especially the one from Italy. They represent me, the place where I'm born and the place where I grew up. Cheese are made with amore there. The PDO is a guarantee of quality. The PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, mark identifies a product originating in a specific place, region or country, whose quality or characteristic are essentially or exclusively due to a particular geographic environment. The queen of the Italian recipe, lasagna. At Cori, our lasagna is one of our signature dish. We respect the tradition that our grandmother and ancestors give to us. The pasta is made with local eggs and Italian flour. For the ragu we use ground pork and beef we braise for about 3 hours. The bechamel is made with milk and Parmigiano Reggiano. Parmigiano Reggiano is produced in the province of Parma, Reggio Emilia, Modena and part of the Mantua and Bologna area. Produced with rubbed cow's milk, a semi-fat cheese with hard, finely granulated texture. It's characterized by fragrant and delicate but full and never piquant flavor. Aged for about 24 months. Superb when grated to enhance pastas. Natural aging makes Parmigiano Reggiano easily to digest, in fact it's a lactose-free, and allowed this develop of a complexity and extraordinary aromas and flavor. Parmigiano Reggiano is used in each layer to give the creaminess and the sharpness of the cheese. The lasagna then is baked and cut by order. The gratin on top is made by using Parmigiano Reggiano and give the perfect texture and taste of the lasagna. This dish is a traditional lasagna.